Hi. Do you have metal that is dirty, rusty, or painted? Do you need to clean it to repaint it or weld it? Wire wheels are difficult to use and don't do a good job at removing mill scale. And flap discs can take off too much metal. You should consider stripping. My name is Darwin. I'm from Platinum North America. With me are Warren and Ralph. And today we're going to talk about our original strip and finish disc. Strip, clean, and finish. Clean and strip back to bare metal, great for removal of rust, mill scale, paint and coating. Back to clean metal, ready for painting or welding. It removes weld discolorization on aluminum and stainless steel. It's made of perfect grade strong non-woven fiber embedded with coarse grained silicon carbide for increased performance, longer life. It's available in 4.5 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, and 7 inch sizes with a 7/8 arbor. Today we're going to test this disc on metal and compare its performance to that of our wire wheels and our flap discs on the same material. Here's a piece of metal that we're going to use it on for first comparison. I'll just take this off the vise here and we'll show you this piece of metal that we're going to use here. As you can see, it's got mill scale on it. It's pretty rusted. It's not ready at all for welding or for repainting. So we're going to test this first using 3 different things. We're going to try it first with our wire wheel, and then we're going to use a flap disc on it, and then we're going to use our original strip and finish disc. Warren, are you ready to strip? Warren's going to strip with this piece of metal. Of course, with the strip and finish disc. He's going to strip a piece of metal here with the wire wheel, and then the flap disc, and then Platinum original strip and finish disc. We're going to compare how long it takes him to do it with each, and we're going to also then compare the finished result when he's done. So, there you go. Now take note of how easy it is to use each of these discs on the metal for the purpose that we're doing today. Are you ready?
Okay.
Go ahead. Thank you very much, Warren. As you can see, that didn't look very easy to use right now. Before we do the comparison of the metal, we're going to then switch off the flap disc here. This is one of our Platinum original flap discs in a 5 inch size. Looks like about a 60 grit. So the first section after we show it to you is going to be on your left side. Is going to be the wire wheel that is used. The center section we're going to use a flap disc on. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Fantastic. Now he's going to strip with a flap disc. Fantastic. That was the flap disc that he used too. And as you can see, it didn't look as easy. Probably easier than the wire wheel, but definitely not going to be as easy as our original strip and finish disc. How did that feel for you?
Yeah, a lot easier.
A lot easier?
As you'll demonstrate later.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Yeah, yep. Wait till you see this finish. The third and final disc is our Platinum original strip and finish disc. Like I said, purple grade strong non-woven fiber. It's embedded with coarse grain silicon carbide. Increased performance, longer life for sure. All right, You ready? Let's do it with the strip and finish disc. Great job, thank you very much. Now, with the help of Ralph, we're going to show you the differences in finish here of the complete thing. Now, we're going to start first with the wire wheel there. As you can see, it did not remove the mill scale at all, and you notice that he had a difficult job in controlling that on the metal itself. The second or middle section that we did with a flap disc. And as you can see, it didn't do a good job at cleaning it, but it did take more metal off than we wanted to. That by no means is ready to paint or to weld. Then the final section, we did this with the strip and finish disc. As you can see, it's completely clean of rust and of mill scale. It's got a great finish. It's ready to paint and it's ready to weld. And clearly, it was a lot easier to do, and he did it in a fraction of the time than either of the other ones. Our second test now is we're going to show you how well that this disc does at stripping paint off of metal. So he's got a painted piece of metal here. He's going to take the strip and finish disc and see how it works on removing paint off of metal. Are you ready?
Yep.
Fantastic. Let's have a look-see at this. So this, take a look at the job that this did at removing the paint from that painted piece of metal. It's now ready to be repainted or to be welded. And it didn't take him any time at all whatsoever. So as you can see, so far, our original strip and finish disc is much better at cleaning mill scale, rust, and for removing paint. Plus, the finished product is now ready to paint or ready to be welded. The next thing we're going to do is see how this performs on curved surfaces. So we're going to take a piece of pipe here. We're going to remove mill scale, debris, dirt, rust from it. We're going to compare it to the piece that we did not do. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Fantastic. Now let's compare the finished product. As you can see, compared to the non-finished side, he did a fantastic job. It came off really easy and quickly. And again, that's ready to paint. That's ready to be welded onto. Platinum North America's original strip and finish discs are the discs that you need for this type of application. It beats any other disc that you can buy from us or from another manufacturer. A few things about this disc: if you do our Grinder for Life program, it is a qualifying product. 250 qualifying products will allow you to register for a free grinder. That grinder happens to be this very grinder here, Platinum North America grinder, 5-inch grinder right here. I hope that this helped. I appreciate you coming out today and joining our webinar. I want to thank Warren, I want to thank Ralph, and specifically I want to thank you all for joining us today. Keep a look into your email inboxes. I'm going to send you an email with a special offer today for joining us. Once again, from Platinum North America, thank you very much for your attendance. Have a great day.